In this question, you're given y is equal to 5x by cube root of 1 minus x square plus sine square of 2x plus 3. We're asked to differentiate this. So this is a function and this is a function. Have sum of these two functions. So you can differentiate them separately. And this function contains 5x by cube root of 1 minus x square. It's a quotient function. You can use u by v rule. And this is cube of 1 minus x square. This is a composite function. You can use chain rule here. So let us apply all the rules that we know. So dy by dx is equal to, if you take this is of the form u by v first. So 1 minus x square, this is 1 minus x square whole power 1 by 3. So if you square it, have 1 minus x square whole power 2 by 3, right? 1 minus x square whole power 2 by 3, v square, and v times u dash. So here 5 is a constant, 5 can be taken out. X's differentiation is 1 minus x times minus v times u dash minus u times the differentiation of this. What is the differentiation of 1 minus x square whole power 1 by 3? So 1 by 3 times 1 minus x square whole power minus 2 by 3. N into a power n minus 1 times, what is the differentiation of 1 minus x square minus 2x. Right? So this complete thing is part. So you have v square v u dash minus u v dash. U is x into v dash. Plus sine square of 2x plus 3, sine of 2x plus 3 whole square. So 2 times sine of 2x plus 3, something square, differentiation is 2 times something, into something is sine of 2x plus 3. So what is the differentiation of sine of 2x plus 3? Cos of 2x plus 3 times 2. So that is equal to 5 times 1 minus x square whole power 1 by 3, 1 minus x square whole power minus 2 by 3. This can be taken into the denominator. So 1 minus x square whole power 1 by 3 minus. So minus into minus becomes plus 2x square by 3. 2x square by 3 times 1 minus x square whole power 2 by 3 by 1 minus x square whole power 2 by 3 plus 4. So 2 sine 2x by 3 cos 2x by 3. 2 sine theta cos theta is sine 2 theta. So instead of 4, I'll put it 2 itself is 2, and 2 sine a cos a is sine 2a, that is sine of 4x plus 6. 2 times 2x plus 3 is 4x plus 6. And you can take the LCM here. So you have 5 times 3 times 1 minus x square. These two gets multiplied to get 1 minus x square plus 2x square by 3 times, if you multiply these two, get 1 minus x square whole power 4 by 3 plus 2 sine 4x plus 6. So you have 3 minus 3x square plus 2x square. That is 3 minus x square. So effectively you have 3 minus x square into 5. So 5 times 3 minus x square by 3 times 1 minus x square whole power 4 by 3 plus 2 sine 4x plus 6. 2 sine 4x plus 6 is the answer.